Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can read the weather in Heartopia. So currently, so go to your watch and press this button, like just the icon. So right now it is cloudy, but it's like not a very special or specific weather. But on Friday, it's going to rain. Saturday, there will be a meteor shower. And then Tuesday is going to rain again. And Wednesday, there will be a rainbow finally. Wednesday, there's going to be rainbow again. So you are able to see future weathers here as well. You can also see when the weather will start and end. So for instance, like here to here, is like one weather, and then here to here is like another weather. So for instance, this is like rainbow is going to be from 12 um a.m. to 6 a.m. And then if there's like rain, maybe it's like 6 to 12, and so on and so forth, depending on the weather and time on that day. So obviously it's going to be different. You'll also tell that it's raining when you see rain, I guess, but I usually check the weather before the day happens. You'll see that it's raining, and then when there's a rainbow weather event, you'll always see like a rainbow spawn whenever you spawn in the game. Or if you kind of like look around, you'll see a rainbow. Right now it's clear skies, so obviously I can't show you guys the rainbow, but yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, I'm lagging. Leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.